Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Merchant Center for product feed payments, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Merchant Center for product feed payments, start by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. In the Merchant Center dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, select Account Linking. Look for the option to link your Google Ads account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once your accounts are linked, go back to the Merchant Center dashboard. From there, click on Products in the left-hand menu. Then, select the Feeds tab to set up your product feed. Choose Add a Feed to begin creating a new product feed. Enter the necessary information such as the target country and language. Next, choose the input method for your feed, such as uploading a file or using a Google Sheets link. If selecting a file upload, ensure your file meets Google's specifications, including format and size requirements. After selecting your input method, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to authenticate your payment method for the Merchant Center. Navigate to the Payments section found under Tools and Settings. Click on Set up Payments if you haven't set it up yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your billing information. Ensure all payment details are accurate to avoid issues. Once you've entered the required information, submit your payment setup. After completing the payment setup, return to your product feed settings. In the feed settings, confirm that your payment information is active. You may also want to monitor your feed for any errors or issues to ensure smooth payments. Once everything is set, your product feed will be ready for transactions. Check back regularly to manage your feed and payment settings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.